welcome back to Maths with Miss Faiza. So now let's go on to writing ratios again, but now they are giving you in words. Okay, so let's say they tell you for the first question, they tell you that Chloe drew 15 hearts, 22 stars, 35 circles. So you just take out the keywords. So you have 15 hearts. I'll denote that as H, 22 stars, and then 35 circles. So what is the ratio of stars to hearts to circles? Okay, so remember what did I told you? For ratio, always begin with the always begin with the thing that comes first, the things that are asked first. So in this case, you are asked with stars. So stars come first. After that, it's 2 hertz. So hearts, after that it's circles. So it will be, just check, you have stars, you have 22, so you write 22, to hearts it's 15, and then circles is 35. Then you check whether all this number, can it be simplified or not. If it cannot be simplified, then this is the final answer. Okay, how do you simplify? Make sure that all these numbers, like fractions, I have explained previously, like fractions, you need to make sure that when you do simplifying by dividing with certain numbers, right? Like let's say you have 2 over 6, let's say. So you divide by certain numbers, which is you can divide by 2. Once you divide the top with 2, the bottom should also be divided by 2. But now you see you have 3 numbers, same thing. If you divide 22 by 2, 15 also need to be divided by 2, 35 also need to be divided by 2. If one of them cannot be divided, that means you cannot divide by that number. Then you try changing using another number. Try divide by 3, try divide by 4, try divide by 5. If none of it cannot be divided, that means that is your final answer already. Okay, so that means it cannot be simplified at all. Okay, that is the simplest ratio already. Okay, so then let's go to number 2. We have a swimming club has 22 members, of which 14 are males and the rest are females. What is the ratio of females to all club members? Okay, so you see we have ratio of females to all club members. So that means your ratio should be females to all club members, meaning that it's male plus female. So you see you have a swimming club has 22 members. This 22 members is already referring to all members. And they tell you that we have 14 males, so the rest are females. So how do we find the rest? Just simple thing. We have we have males, so that means we have to minus 14 by 22 so that we could get female, then we could get 8 for female. So you see we got 8 for female, so we just write 8 to 22 because it's females to all, right? So it's 8 to 22, and then this number we can still be simplified. Remember, most of the time when you see all your numbers are even, you see 8 and 22 are even. So when you got even number, that means this number can be simplified. Always try simplifying it by dividing it with 2. Okay, divide by 2, you will get 4 to 11. So once you have one odd, one even, that's where you check whether can it be divided by any odd numbers. Okay, once it cannot be divided at all, that means that is your final answer. So as this one, we don't have any numbers that can be divided at all, so that is our final answer. Let's go to the third one. We have a group of preschoolers has 3 boys and 91 girls. What is the ratio of girls to all children? Okay, you see the ratio of girls to all children. So that means girls to all. So you see you have 3 boys and 91 girls, so all children, meaning that combination of 91 plus 3. So you will get 94. So girls is 91, all is 94. So that is it. That is your answer. Okay, so then for question 4 and 5, 6, you may try to do it on your own. You may check here, check the video, and please do it. We will discuss during class.